Can I see your ID?
Yes, please.
Okay, so this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidates. So I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110904. Well, my name is Satwinder. Can I ask your full name?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Meena Rani.
Okay, so what shall I call you?
You can call me with my first name, Meena.
Alright. So, Meena, where are you from?
Ma'am, I belong to a very small city, that is Joniwal, which is located northern part of India.
Alright. So, who named you?
Well, my name is. Sorry. My name is.
Who gave you this name?
My name gave my parents, of course, and they gave me with the help of Holy Book. Like in my culture, when the children was born, then they with the help of Holy Book, whatever the page was, when they open and with the help of first letter, they indicate my name.
Okay, do you know the meaning of your name?
Yes, ma'am. My name is the meaning of my name is the beautiful or ghazal eyes, which resembling a fish.
Okay, so do you like your name?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Alright. So, Meena, let's talk about hats. Do you like to wear hats?
Pardon, please.
Do you like to wear hats?
Yes, but sometimes I wear hats, not for all time, because it suits my personality, and because of advanced technology, as I can say that because of advanced fashion, I can wear hats.
Okay. What type of hats do you have?
I have only one type of hats, to be very honest. It's a boys looking hat, not the girlish one. It is a black in color.
Okay. And where do you like to buy a hat for you?
Well, because of advanced technology, as I have mentioned, there are two factors I can bout hat. That is the online as well as the offline mode, which I prefer. That is online. With that, I can save my time.
Okay. Is wearing hats popular in your country?
Yes, it is a very eminent in my country. It's not depend upon the gender discrimination. Whatever the girls or boys, everyone wear hats because of their comfort zone.
And how often you buy a hat for you?
Well, it is a very rarely for me, not a very regular time, because as I mentioned, I have not a keen interest to wearing hat.
Okay. And have you ever received a hat as a gift?
To be very honest, no, ma'am. Generally, I received another number of gifts like goggles, watch, and other, not specifically not hat.
Okay. So, Meena, let's move to the second part where I will give you a topic about which you need to speak for 2 minutes.
Okay.
And there is 1 minute to think about your ideas. If you wish, you can even make notes about your ideas.
Sure.
The topic that you need to speak about is a time when you notice a group of people smiling. start, Meena?
Yes, ma'am. Well, there are ample of places in my country where I saw there are a number of people who are together in a group, and for instance, there are a number of places like the comedy shows. Generally, the people want to go there to their invigorate mind. But here I would like to talk about the one day when I saw the number of groups of people. Like when I vividly remember when I visited to a concert which is based on the Diljit Dosanjh Diljit Dosanjh. It is a very eminent singer, and because generally people want to their invigorate their mind, and they want to be attend their concert. And firstly, when I was saw them, and I feel like wonderful, because in my time I don't watch too many people, and after some time I feel annoying because of huge crush, and they all are proud because of the sound. And as I got mentioned, because of annoying, I feel very uncomfortable because it is a huge in crowd, and everyone speaking in very loudly. And even though there are a number of people who are beating to each other, because no one there to scare the people. So, and
Okay, so please give it back to me.
yes.
Thank you. So, let's discuss about smiling.
Yes.
What are the most common things that can make people smile?
Well, there are ample of things which can be easily people can smile, like the reality shows, like the comedy shows, which is the most eminent, that's Kapil Sharma show. With that, people can easily smile. But apart from this, when a person negotiates with their loving ones, and they do that work which makes with that they can really happy. And so, like these factors, people can easily happy.
Is there any difference in smiling and happiness?
Yes, there are a drastic difference between them. In smiling, people can smile from the external side, but on the other hand, people can smile with their internals. So that is called a happiness.
Okay. So, do you think that the people who smile more, they are more friendly?
No, I don't think so. Whenever a person smiles more, it is a friendly. No, I don't believe that. For instance, if I'm talking about myself, I'm a very reserved type person. But to be very honest, when a person negotiates with me, then I easily comfort with others and also listen to them, and those things are provided by my side which feel him comfort zone, and with that they can feel happy to crack some jokes.
And do you think that certain jobs need a smiling face, or they need a person to be presentable?
Pardon, please?
Do you think that certain jobs require a person to smile in front of the customers, for example?
You can talk
Like
about
in
the jobs.
Yes, in jobs, sometimes the employees, they need to smile in front of
Yes.
the customers. What
Yes.
type of jobs are they?
Yes, I think so. It is a better thing when employment talk to with the customer with the happy face. With that, the first impression is the last impression, and with that, people can attract. Like if I'm talking about specific customer can attract, and with that they can give the feedback, which is nowadays it is very important for rating, as well as to give some those things which they want to be here, like to selling, purchase, and all things.
And if we talk about the photographic trends, we see that smiling pose is very common in the photos. What is the reason for that?
To be very honest, it's depend upon the fashion. Sometimes person can smile only because of they showing like that, but on the internal side they feel very agonized rather than to jubilant. But as I have mentioned, it is only based upon show off rather than to make a happy in internal side.
And how you feel when you see a smile on a child's face?
Well, whenever I get a chance to see a child, and I feel very relaxed because whenever I see them and I can easily refresh my mind within 2 seconds, and after that, because I feel that they are not diplomatic and they are not backbiters, because they are honest. That's why I feel very good whenever I watch them.
Alright, so this is end of your speaking test. You may leave now. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Just take it.
Yes.